Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can add automations to your documents. Here we have a document. To add automations, click on Automations at the top and proceed to the Browse section. Here you will find a variety of ready-made templates that you can use. On the left, you can select a particular app. Let's say we want to receive an email whenever this document is updated. We'll select the template titled When Doc Edited, then Send Email. This will redirect us to the Workflow section, where we can assign an action for this trigger. Click on the Send Email option. Here we will need to input the email address. You can also add CC and BCC. We will then enter the subject, and in the message, we can include the document name and update it at details. Once this is done, we can close the pop-up. The automation is now set up. Whenever the document is edited, an email will be sent. We can now name our workflow and hit Save. The changes are now saved. The automation will initially be inactive, so we need to click on the toggle to activate it. Once this is done, we can close the pop-up. Now, whenever any changes are made to this document, an email will be sent to the email we added. For example, let's change this introduction. We will paste a new introduction here, so we will select this and let's paste a new intro. Now let's publish these changes by clicking on Publish. The changes are now published. Now we can navigate to the inbox to check for an email. And here we have an email from Kroolo that says Doc Updated. Click on the email to open it. And here's our email. Let's head back to the dashboard. Click on Automations and navigate to the Run section. Here, it will display that the automation was triggered once successfully. To manage the automation, click on Manage. From here, it can be temporarily disabled. Click on 3 dots for additional options. From here, you can edit, archive, duplicate, and delete this automation. Let's close this pop-up, and that's how you can add automations to your documents. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.